In this video, you'll learn how to use the Advanced Tables CSV macro to turn comma-separated data into a clean, formatted table. This gives you a faster way to present structured data without manually building tables. To get started, insert the CSV macro onto a page. Then paste your comma-separated data into the Insert CSV field. In this example, the data includes columns for month, maximum, minimum, and average, followed by rows of temperature data. While this basic example pastes CSV data into the macro, you can also pull CSV data from a specific page or URL. You can adjust a range of settings related to the data source structure and styling. In this example, you'll update the font size, text style, and background color for the top row and first column by entering CSS properties in the row and column styles fields. You'll also enable automatic row numbering to make the table easier to scan. Click Save to apply your settings and generate the table. If you need to make changes, click CSV comma-separated values above the table and click the Edit icon when it appears. Update your settings, then click Save again to refresh the table. To recap, this video provides an introduction to using the CSV macro by showing you how to open the CSV macro, paste in your comma-separated data, and adjust optional settings like styling and numbering. The macro then converts your data into a polished, readable table.